Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Midwest Safety, and the title of the video is Woman Makes Things 10 Times Worse After Fleeing. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they're talking about here.
See two cases of suspects driving off on officers, and things only get worse from there.
Pull to the curb. Pull over to the curb. Pull over to the curb. You're in the roadway. Roll the windows all the way down for me, please. Alright, Officer Ficus Knowles, please. The reason I'm stopping you is your plates are expired for March, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, driver's license, insurance, please. Can I get one more,
I
please?
just didn't get it updated, but they registered it. Like, it's all valid.
Okay, thank you. You got an ID I need, my man?
I'm passing through my law, bro. I don't have to do nothing.
I'm gonna be real with you guys. It smells like weed, strong, very strong. So what's gonna happen, if another officer comes, car's gonna get searched and everybody in this car is gonna be searched, all right? And you do have to give me your ID. So that's what's gonna happen. Honesty goes a long way with me. If I search the entire car and everybody and you guys don't work with me, I'm gonna run with everything I got. You guys wanna be up front, say this is what it is, I can work with that. Fair? So, is there any weed in the car? That's not what I'm asking if there's any weed in the car. Because it's so strong, this is fresh. I mean, dude, it's... I could literally smell behind your car.
We smoked when we was in the driveway because we can't smoke in our Airbnb. We're not from
Okay.
here. So we smoked in the car before we left.
So,
our Airbnb is like not even 15 minutes away.
Okay. So do you have ID on you?
No, I'll give it to you. I'll give you my name.
So what is your name?
Cameron.
So like I said, the car reeks like weed, okay? So that's ultimately, on top of the plates being bad, that's why I'm stopping you guys, okay? You want to pull him out first? Hey, stop! Stop! 669B, they're taking off on us westbound. They're going to YMCA. It's a dead end.
Nah. They ain't going there. They going to jail. You hear me? That was the wrong move. Let's get into it.
Hey, I got spikes. I'm gonna set up spikes. Go. 669 passengers reaching underneath the seat.
The officer noted the passenger reaching underneath the seat before the suspects took off. This means officers need to be fully prepared for the possibility of the suspects being armed.
Move! Go! Go! 669, give us more. They're going to YMCA. I'm gonna have spikes set up on the corner of 68th and 53rd. Squads, these are coming. Be aware. I got spikes laid out.
The officer is now informed the suspects are heading a different direction and likely will not be returning to this street.
Six, 669, lock down that school.
Bring it over here. We don't try Charlie for the west on Route 60th. Looks like they went south on a little dirt road just south of 60th Street. Which one? That's the vehicle.
669, it's gonna be a brown and brick house just east of the tracks. Car clear? They're gonna have to go through the woods. 669, they're in the woods. They're running. Stop! 669, they're running south through the woods. They're just south of the brown house. Show us your hands! Show us your hands! Careful. Do not move or you're gonna get shot! We have them at gunpoint in the woods. We're south of the house. Do not move. Just hold it till you get a couple more.
You start slowly walking this way.
Do not move. Do not reach in your waistband. We are 100 feet south of the brown brick house, 60th Street, just east of the track.
Honestly, what a bunch of idiots, man. I mean, sometimes if you're gonna run the woods could be a good thing or a bad thing, but a lot of times it's a bad thing because where you wanna go? I mean, it's so much debris and leaves and stuff like that that you can't even navigate through it. Just running from the police because of some weed or whatever. Like, come on, who does that? They probably have something else in the vehicle that can get them in a lot more trouble. And I wonder who idea was to actually run. I know she's the driver, but a lot of times, you know, females are influenced by the men, you know what I mean? So I don't know if the man was like, yo, when we get a chance, run. You know what I'm saying? When you get a chance, hit it. You know what I mean? Type stuff. I don't know. Because he was real hesitant to give his information and everything like that. So this was real sketchy from the start.
Step out!
There are all these thorns right here.
Walk out!
It was really stupid to run in. Walking this way.
Get out!
Walking this way. Let's go.
Bad.
I see something holding me, right?
Bad. Come on.
I'm with you.
Bad.
No, we got two. Turn around.
Turn around.
Turn around. You want to go hands?
Wait, let's wait for him to get
Oh. You want to bring her back this way, or do you want to go there?
hands up. Up.
We'll have her walk out.
5417.
Come on, this house right here, okay? Watch that. Turn. Yeah,
Can y'all grab my purse and stuff?
we'll get there.
Let me know where that comes out. We'll get you a squad over there.
Yeah, just these two. Watch here. Thorns.
You want to go that way?
Go this way.
Go to
Bring a
her.
squad out. Find out where.
You got her?
Keep her here. Keep her here. Wait for them to get him out, and we'll go.
That was stupid.
Damn. I don't know you got my number. I don't know what to tell you.
We still have your ID. You guys got her and that stuff? Search that stuff too. They dipped. There's. Hey, thanks. Come through.
The female driver was charged with driving a non-registered vehicle, second-degree reckless driving endangering safety, resisting, obstructing, fleeing, eluding, second-degree possession of marijuana, and possession of a firearm while convicted of an out.
There we go. There we go. This is why they ran. Possession of a firearm, convicted of an out-of-state felony. They had a weapon in the vehicle. Okay, I see it. Because I'm like, dang, they just gonna stop, search the car for some, because they smelled a, whatever. But this right here, that firearm, oh yeah.
State felony. The male's charges are unknown. They are innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
Get out. Please no, please no. Please no, please no.
Oh, wait, no,
Please no, please no.
Get out.
I will give you the stuff back. I will give you the stuff back.
You even seen me?
I will
Get
give
out.
you the stuff back. I will give you the stuff back.
No, just get
I
out.
will give you the stuff back. I
out.
have
Don't
to make
make
it
me
home
pull
to
you
my
out.
kid. I have to make it home to my kid. Please, I will give you the stuff back.
Don't
I will
make me
give
drag
you
you
the stuff.
out.
I will give you the stuff back.
You stole it.
I will give it back.
Out.
I will give it back. I will
Come on.
give it back. I will give it back. I will
get
give
out?
it back.
Oh!
I am so sitting, so choking.
You're not gonna.
You're choking me. God, not my car.
Wow, that's crazy.
You gotta be kidding me, lady. Is this really happening? Lady. Lady. Stop.
Man, she's slow as hell.
No, I have to get home to my kid. I have to get. I have to.
Really?
I need help. Please, let me go. Please, let me. Please, let me. Get off of me. Get off
It's not on your neck.
Get off of my
I
neck.
train people to do this. I know it's not on your neck.
Let me go.
Get up.
Let me go.
Alright, what are you gonna do? Roll over. Get on your butt.
Please let me call my kids. Don't know the number
Roll
to call
over
my
on your knees.
I don't know the
Stand
numbers
up.
to call my kids. I don't know the numbers to call my kids.
Okay,
I don't know
we'll
the
call.
numbers to call my kids.
We'll go.
Please let me call my kids. 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 Please let me
You can
call
call me
my
a little
kids.
bit.
Please let me call my kids. Please let me call my kids. Please just 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 let me call my
You
kids.
can call me a little bit. Get up.
Please let me call my kids.
You can call me a little bit.
Oh, I don't know anybody's number.
Okay, in a little bit.
Please let me call my kids. Please let me call my kids. Please let me call my kids.
Oh my
Please
God.
let me call my kids.
In there.
Let me call my kids.
This is crazy. They're actually counting it on the screen. Yo, she is. Oh man, she gonna get some serious charges, boy, because I think she gonna get something for trying to pull off, and she damn near dragged the cop a little bit. You know what I mean? So she definitely gonna get something for that. This is. But you know how the court system is. I mean, she probably gonna get let out on bond and, you know, whatever, get a year probation and call it a day.
Please let me call my kids.
Have a seat.
Please let me call my kids.
Sit.
Please let me call my kids.
Her car is in the middle of an aisle because she tried to flee in her car.
Okay, her car's in the middle of in the underground.
Yeah.
Okay.
Merchandise is in there.
Okay.
I can't go down there and get it right now.
Okay.
So somebody wants to do it. God. You're not calling anybody right now. But you'll get a chance. You can call him a little bit. Sit.
I can't. I don't have.
You lost my.
I don't have.
You lost me being nice.
What am I looking for?
It's a red, white, green like polo. What's your first name?
Rebecca.
They have a warrant.
I don't know yet. I'm just getting the name. They try to flee with me and run me over a vehicle, all resisting arrest, all that stuff.
I didn't run you over with a vehicle. I am sitting.
Have you ever been arrested for shoplifting prior?
No.
If this is your first time, don't ever do it again. The second time's a felony now. It goes up to a Class D felony just on your second.
You got City 29 consent failure to pay.
10-4. I don't know. She's got, I think 3 warrants out of county and city. Okay.
Can you please let me see?
Braxton call.
Can you please call him back? He has my kids.
You got the car seat.
What?
You got the car seat.
I know, and I'm going to jail.
For what?
For Dillard's, I'm going to jail.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
And you don't even have a phone that I can call.
I know. What the fuck? Who do I need to call? Do I need to call your daddy? Who do I need to call? What the fuck?
I guess tell my mom to call my real dad. I don't know.
You at the mall?
Yes.
What the fuck, bro?
Jesus.
You got some things on you?
Yes.
Oh my God.
I tried to go. Baby, they're saying like I'm gonna have to do 116 days.
How many days?
116.
No, what the fuck?
Hey, sir. She's got 2 warrants, or a couple warrants. One's for 16 days, one's for 100. Most of the time they'll run those consecutively, so she'll do 100 days unless the judge releases her. But since she failed to do her community service the first time, I doubt they'll give her leniency. What you can do, she's going to go to Sebastian County Detention Center. She'll be there within an hour, but you can go there and do a request a property release form for whatever items you need from her. As long as she signs it over, the release deputy there will give you the keys so you can get like the car seats and all that kind of stuff.
That's the whole day she's going to jail for?
She's got shoplifting, she's got fleeing, she's got resisting arrest, and then the warrants.
What the fuck? You should have stayed home.
Braxton, how else were we gonna eat?
If she gets caught shoplifting again, she'll be charged with a Class D felony automatically. I'm just trying to give you a heads up, so maybe this will stop.
This didn't start until I couldn't pay my bills. This is the only reason this started. I've only been doing this for about a week.
What are you trying to do? Sell the clothes and pay your bills?
Yeah.
Oh boy. Got a confession out of her and everything. Yeah, you have the right to remain silent, okay? You might want to do that, man. God dang, there you go. Damn.
All my parents, because I cannot be in here for 100 days. I love you too.
You gonna take her?
Yeah, you're gonna take her.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Go around this way. I'm gonna take you to adult detention. Watch your head.
Dude, can you please stop and let me see if my views fell out while me and him are wrestling on this fucking curb right here to the right? You're just gonna ignore me?
You said you were wrestling him?
Yes, I was wrestling him because I'm telling him, like, dude, I have a 3-month-old at home. Just let me make it home. I'll give you the stuff back that I took. Like, just let me make it home.
The easiest thing you could have did was just comply. Just do what he asked. That way it makes things smoother.
Yeah, and it makes him still take me to jail.
Because regardless, you know, once he saw you, you know, you're going to jail.
Watch my every fucking thing.
Rebecca was charged with aggravated assault on a peace officer, resisting, fleeing an officer, theft of property worth less than $1,000, and her 2 warrants for not paying her previous fines. She is innocent.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.